Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the amazing benefits of different types of tea. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most popular and widely consumed teas in the world, black tea. Black tea is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, which are fully oxidized and fermented, giving it a dark color and a strong flavor. But did you know that black tea is not only delicious, but also has many health benefits? In this video, I'm going to tell you about some of the amazing things that black tea can do for you. So, grab your cup of tea and let's get started. Number 1. Boost your immune system. Black tea is rich in antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can cause damage and disease. Antioxidants can help your immune system fight off infections and inflammation, and prevent diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. One of the antioxidants in black tea is called theaflavin, which has been shown to have antiviral and antibacterial properties. So, drinking black tea can help you stay healthy and prevent illnesses. Number 2. Improve your brain function. Black tea contains caffeine, which is a stimulant that can enhance your alertness, concentration, and memory. Caffeine can also improve your mood and reduce stress, which can benefit your mental health. But black tea also contains another compound that can boost your brain function, L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid that can promote relaxation and calmness without making you sleepy. L-theanine can also increase the production of alpha waves in your brain, which are associated with creativity and problem solving. So, drinking black tea can help you feel more energized, focused, and creative. Number 3. Lower your blood pressure and cholesterol. Black tea can help you maintain a healthy cardiovascular system by lowering your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. High blood pressure and cholesterol can increase your risk of heart attack, stroke, and other heart problems. Black tea can help you lower your blood pressure by relaxing your blood vessels and improving your blood flow. Black tea can also help you lower your cholesterol by reducing the absorption of LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, and increasing the production of HDL, which is the good cholesterol. So, drinking black tea can help you protect your heart and prevent cardiovascular diseases. Number 4. Support your weight loss. Black tea can help you lose weight by boosting your metabolism and burning more calories. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. Black tea can increase your metabolism by stimulating the activity of enzymes that break down fat and sugar. Black tea can also help you burn more calories by increasing your body temperature and thermogenesis, which is the process by which your body generates heat. So, drinking black tea can help you burn more fat and sugar, and lose weight faster. Number 5. Improve your skin and hair. Black tea can help you improve your appearance by enhancing your skin and hair health. Black tea can help you improve your skin by reducing inflammation, acne, and signs of aging, such as wrinkles and sagging. Black tea can also help you improve your hair by strengthening your hair follicles, preventing hair loss, and adding shine and volume. So, drinking black tea can help you look more beautiful and youthful. These are just some of the amazing benefits of black tea, but there are many more. Black tea is a wonderful drink that can improve your health, wellness, and happiness. So, what are you waiting for? Brew yourself a cup of black tea and enjoy its amazing benefits. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.